In this video, let's create a grid in Xcode together. Xcode. Create a new Xcode project. Single view app. Next. Grid. And create. Right click here in the empty area. Let's create a view file. Right click, new file, Cocoa Touch class. Next. So we'll use grid view. Next. Create. So we can move this up and down by dragging and drop. So it can be put anywhere. So and let's remove that. Uncomment this method. We'll put our drawing code here. So but before we can see what we draw, we have to add. We'll add another view inside our template here. Oh. So let's use iPad simulator. Make it a little bit smaller, like that. And we can hide this, adjust that. So click this icon. Let's find out our view. So be careful. Yeah, don't select this one. We only need this view, a simple square here. Drag and drop. Put here. Let's change its background color to, what about purple? No. We want to make our drawing, maybe use this one. Very light gray. Okay, this time. I think it's good enough. And another thing we need to do is click the third icon here to change the class of this view, the gray view, to our, if we use the names different from grid view, if it's not in this list, just type it, right? Grid, yeah, and then it will be filtered out. Okay, so now we can go back to here. Oh, let's run it first to make sure it works. While we are waiting, we can start writing code. So we'll draw 5 by 7 grid. It means we'll draw 5 horizontal line and 7 vertical lines. Let's clean up this, we don't need that. And this. So let's draw horizontal lines. 5 horizontal lines here. So can create our grid path object UI Bezier path, and so grid path dot move to enter opening parentheses, the third one with the xy with the CG point as the data type. So let's start from say 120 y, let's do 70. So it will be somewhere here, 120 and 70. Let's start from roughly here and go to here. So add a line to the second point, enter opening parentheses, go to the third one, so let's use the length of 500, so it will go to the 620. So we'll keep y same as 70. This will be a horizontal line. Now we can do grid dot stroke. Let's give it a try. Stop it. Run again. Yes, perfect. The line starts from 120 and 70 and ends at the point 620 from here, 620, 0, 620, and for y is 70 here. Okay, now we can duplicate this line here. Let's increase the y by 50. So we should be able to see the second horizontal line. Run again. The shortcut key for run the app is Command R, run. Ta-da! Let's add another one. So this time we can add 2 50s. 2 times 50. Okay, run it again. Command R. Yeah, we have 3 horizontal lines. Did you find a pattern here? So 2 50s. Let's put 1 here, 1 50s, 1 50s. What about here? Here we can say plus 0, 0 50 plus 0 times 50. So you see the pattern here, 0, 1, 2. So let's add another 2 lines here, just by simply following the pattern. So we can change this to 3, 3, and 4, sorry, 4, 4. Let's give it a try. Yes. Now let's handle our first vertical lines. So this first one is the grid. Stop. Same thing. Move to our first point. What's the first point? it should be here, right? The same first point, right? So 120 y, let's make so 70, let's copy that down. 0 is not necessary, but anyway, now going down, we want to keep the x the same. That's the first point. Add line 2, enter, opening parentheses. So let's keep, we have to keep the x same. What is the y? Y should be the same as the y of the last horizontal line, right? So we can copy this one to here. Let's see. Command R to run again. Nice. So the next vertical line should be something like that, right? From here to here. So that's push the value, right? The x value of this point to here, and the x value of the ending point from here to here, right? So to generate the second line, let's do it. So make a copy of this line here, paste. So now we can simply add 50 here for the second vertical line. Run again. So we programmers like patterns. When we are drawing the lines, let's find out the pattern. Yes, it works. Now, what's the pattern? So here we have 150, 150. So we can add the pattern here, 0, 50. Think about, we added the 0 times 50 to make the pattern complete. Now we can simply make a copy of this one. How many times? We need 7 vertical lines, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally there will be 7 vertical lines. So here we need 2 50s, 2 50s, 3 50s, 3 50s, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6. Why is it 6 instead of 7? Because we start, the index start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally we draw 7 times. Let's give a try. Command R to run it. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now there's a problem. The horizontal lines are too long. Can you pause the video and try to fix it on your own? Okay, I assume you already have a go of that. So we need to modify. It means this guy is too big. We start from this point, right? And draw the horizontal line to this point. The y is the same. So there's nothing wrong with the y, but this y, this, when we put it there, we did it arbitrary. So now it has to be what? 120 plus what? plus 6/50, right? Let's give it a try. Yes, we fix it. Okay, so we'll do the same thing for the other 4 horizontal lines. So make a copy of that, replace this original value, 620, and run again by clicking Command R. Yes, that's it. Perfect. See you next time.